first thing that I will show you is this one! Hello! Say hi! Hello everyone, it's me, gianmoniq, and finally I will be able to share with you what's inside my makeup bag. So if you're interested for the products that I'll be sharing, of course, everything will be linked down below, so you don't have to worry. So let's get on with the video. Firstly, I'll share with you the bag or the makeup kit that I've been using. It's just a simple old rose color with a little bit gold on the zipper, and there's no pockets inside and outside, so that is more comfortable for me because wala lang naiipit na mga gamit inside. And by the way, as I'm sharing, dumudukot lang ako. There's no sequence in this video. I have here the Advanced Face Trio, and ang pinili ko is etong may highlight, etong may blush, and meron din siyang contour. And that really is more affordable for me kasi this only costs 275. Next one is I have here the Nichindo Pressed Powder in Tan. Actually guys, ito sobrang mura din nito. It only costs 100 pesos. And I use this after I apply my liquid foundation kasi nga gusto ko matte yung face ko. Ayoko ng dewy look. So ito yung ina-apply ko. And I'm in the shade Tan. Next up is I have the Nichindo Bronzing Powder. And guys, I really love this kasi whenever I do my makeup, minsan sobrang puti ng face ko. So this helps me bronze the outer corner of my face and shape my face na rin. Para na rin siyang contour. And what I love about this is that parang meron siyang glittery effect. So parang nag-glow yung face ko. So minsan yung mga friends ko sinasabi, bakit nakintab yung mukha mo? So yun, ito po yun. Next up is I have my primer. And a lot of you already know this. It is the Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. It's an pore eraser primer and I really love it kasi sobrang mura na niya. At the same time, is mabibili mo rin siya sa drugstores and even convenience stores such as 7-Eleven. So I really love this product. Sobrang daling hanapin. Next one is I have the Luxe Organic 98% Aloe Vera. It's with vitamin C, guys, and I use this as moisturizer. So, ito muna ina-apply ko sa face ko before I apply my primer. So, parang moisturize na yung face ko before ako mag-primer. Of course, pinapatuyo ko muna yung face ko, but it helps me get refreshed, ganon. Next one is I have here the Shiseido Baby Powder. Guys, I really love this because it's medicated. So, I really suggest this to the people na parang sensitive yung skin and you want something na parang if pinagpapawisan kayo or stress. I really do recommend this para hindi kayo ma-irritate since sobrang init nga here sa Philippines. And regalo lang siya sa akin, but I found it online so I will link it down below na rin. Next one is I have my brow liner. It's the Ever Belena Brown Define with Paddle Brush. Actually guys, I used to use the Etude na brow liner, but medyo nahirapan kasi ako magharap ng store na Etude House. So, ito na lang ang binibili ko since available lang siya sa Watson's or convenience store sa Ever Belena. And it only costs 175 pesos. Ang pinakaiba lang nito is paddle brush siya. Next one is I have my beauty blender. It's the beauty blender of the BYS or the Beast for me. And guys, actually hindi ito mura kasi regalo lang din to sa akin. But if you're looking for affordable beauty blenders, I suggest Miniso again kasi I've tried a lot of beauty blenders in Miniso and it does the job. Yun nga lang, kailangan mo lang siyang palitan. And if you want something na parang medyo doable or parang pang matagalan, I really do suggest the BYS. Next one is I have the L'Oreal Paris lipstick and I'm in the shade 124 or 124 I Embrace. I'm not really a fan of pink lipsticks, but I really find this really admirable kasi nagmumukha siyang natural sa akin as a morena. And ayun lang, parang nagustuhan ko siya ever since, and ayun, is-swatch ko na rin para makita nyo. And the lipstick that I will link below is ibang shade, but this is available at Watson's, guys, so don't you worry. Next one is I have here my two foundations. Actually, I already shared this on Instagram. I usually use this one, the Fit Me Maybelline. I'm in the shade 224 both, by the way. Pero kasi nung na-discover ko to, actually, shinare lang din sa akin to ng friend ko. Sobrang ganda ng coverage nitong 24-hour super staple coverage foundation ng Maybelline. So, if ever man, uubusin ko na lang to. But if you want a little bit more natural coverage, I do suggest this. Lalo na pag wala naman kayo masyadong pores or pimples, I suggest this. Kasi ito parang pang full makeup siya. And I really need that kasi talagang nagbe-break out yung face ko. Next one, I have here my 2 LA Pro Concealer. Alam natin lahat na hindi mura ang LA Pro Concealer, but I really love their concealer kasi pang matagalan talaga siya. And I have here two shades. I have the green corrector and the pure beige. Yung pure beige, yun talaga yung concealer ko when it comes to under my eyes, yung gilid ng nose ko, or yung dark spots. And for the green one is corrector ko siya whenever nagkakaroon akong blemishes or redness kasi yun yung parang nakaka-neutralize ng color red. And I do suggest if you have a lot of blemishes is to find a green corrector. Next one is my eyeliner. I have here the Careline Graph-ink Liner. Actually, may dumating sa point na parang gustong-gusto ko lagi nag-eyeliner to define my eyes. Since sobrang laki nga ng mata ko, parang medyo gusto ko siya magmukhang singkit or medyo mataray. Ewan ko, dumating lang sa point na yun. And I found this Careline Graph-ink kasi waterproof siya and sobrang mura niya lang. So, tinry ko. And guys, it's really good. Sobrang ganda ng pagka-black niya. Hindi siya yung nagka-crack. Kasi meron yung mga eyeliners na parang nagka-crack sa face mo. And this one is like an ink doable. So, parang hindi siya nagka-crack. At the same time, is parang matagal siya sa mata. Hindi siya yung porket kinamot mo is matatanggal na. Next one, I have here 3 brushes. Unfortunately, iba-iba siyang brand. And yung iba is galing sa parang set. So, isi-share ko na lang din. This one is I have a big brush. At yung ginagamit ko pang blend out ng lahat na nang nilagay ko sa face ko para hindi naman parang may mga lines sa face ko. Ito, nakipag-swap lang ako sa friend ko na si Hazel. So, thank you so much, Hazel. If you're watching, I still have your brush. And then the next one is I have the Real Techniques brush. Ito is galing siya sa set. So, I'll link down below what set yun. And ginagamit ko siya for contour to line my face. And then, ito lang yung pinang-blend ko. And then, I have here another one. This one is from BH Cosmetics brush. It's from another set. But guys, this one is affordable. And alam ko meron din na to sa Shopee. And I use this for my powder. Imbis na yung parang pang-top. Ang ginagamit ko is ito. Next one is I have my eyelash curler. Actually, I really love this. This one is from Mumuso and gift lang siya sa akin. So, at Angel, if you're watching, I still use this. And yes, I really love this. Even though sasabihin na iba, gumagana ba? Kasi alam ko rin yung feeling na parang pag bumili ka ng ganito is hindi nagki-curl. Yes po, nagki-curl po siya sa eyes ko. And it's really cute. Parang ano siya, nakiklip mo so that it won't take so much space in your bag. And lastly, I have here my Sunnies Face Brunnette. So, if you haven't watched my video, I will link it up here. Kung saan man dyan, click nyo na lang. Those are the swatches that I did. But right now, I'm currently obsessed with the brunette. I will swatch here next to the pink one. Para siya may pagkapaso na color. And that's it. Actually, yun na yung laman ng buong makeup kit ko. Akalain mo yung nagkasya siya lahat dito. And I'm really happy na parang I get to share with you the stuff. Kasi ang dami rin nagtatanong what are the things that I've been using. I hope you find this video really helpful or may makuha man kayong mga products na parang gusto nyo rin bilhin since it's affordable and ang bilis nilang hanapin. Also, thank you for watching. If you're new here, hi, I'm gianmoniq. It would really mean a lot if you subscribe and be a part of the yellow hearts. So, always remember to have a soft heart and a brave soul. Bye! See you in my next video!